हेलो एंड वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम क्लास 10th बायोलॉजी के मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट चैप्टर हाउ डू ऑर्गेनिज्म रिप्रोड्यूस के एमसीक्यू समझेंगे। फर्स्ट इज द ट्रांसफर ऑफ पोलन ग्रेन्स फ्रॉम एंथर टू स्टिग्मा इज कॉल्ड ऑप्शन पॉलिनेशन, फर्टिलाइजेशन, ओवुलेशन, डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन। And right answer is pollination. Which animal has the capacity to reproduce without fertilization of eggs? Options: spider, crow, honeybee, earthworm. Right answer is honeybee. Embryo develops from zygotes in angiosperms. It is haploid, diploid, triploid, polyloid. And right answer is diploid. In sweet potato, vegetative propagation can be done by options: roots, stem, leaf, flower. Right answer is root. In plants, ovules occurs inside options: anther, ovary, flower, pedicel. The right answer is ovary. A sexual reproduction takes place through budding in option: amoeba, yeast, plasmodium, leishmania. Right answer is yeast. Ovulation period completes in option: 4 days, 14 days, 21 days, 28 days. Right answer is 28 days. Ovum reaches the uterus after dash days of menstruation. Options: 7 days, 14 days, 21 days, 25 days. Right answer is 14 days. The start of menstruation in girls is called menarche, ovulation, menopause, pregnancy. The right answer is menarche. The arrest of reproductive capacity at the age of 45 to 50 years in female is called options: menarche, ovulation, menopause, pregnancy. The right answer is menopause. DNA copy is essential for options: a sexual mode of reproduction, variations, combination of gametes. All the above are correct. Right answer is variation. Embryo completes through placenta. Options: excretion, nutrition, respiration, all the above. Right answer is all the above. Gestation period in human beings is about options 240 days, 250 days, 280 days, 300 days. Right answer is 280 days. Progesterone is secreted by options corpus luteum, thyroid, thymus, testes. Right answer is corpus luteum. Vegetative propagation take place by leaves in options apple, bryophyllum, canna, dahlia. Right answer is bryophyllum. The power to restore lost organs is called options sporulations, regeneration, or sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. Right answer is regeneration. The process of releasing the ripe female gamete from the ovary is called options parturition, ovulation, fertilization, implantation. Right answer is ovulation. The fertilization of ovum in mammals take place in options vestibule, vagina, uterus, fallopian tube. Right answer is fallopian tube. Which among the following is not the sexually transmitted disease? Options AIDS, gonorrhea, syphilis, hepatitis. Right answer is hepatitis. Spongia bearing thread-like structure in rhizopus are called options hyphae, filaments, roots, rhizoids. Right answer is hyphae. Plants of desired quality are produced by options grafting, layering, cutting, all the above. Right answer is grafting. During pollination, pollen grain falls on options stigma, style, ovary, petal. Right answer is stigma. Character transmitted from parents to offsprings are present in option Golgi bodies, ribosomes, cytoplasm, genes. Right answer is genes. A gland associated with the male reproductive organ of mammal is options prostate gland, pharynx gland, mushroom gland, none of the above. Right answer is prostate gland. Vegetative propagation refers to formation of plant from options flowers, stem and roots, stem, roots and leaves, roots, leaves and fruits, leaves, fruits and flowers. Right answer is stem, roots and leaves. Thanks for watching video. Please like, share and subscribe.